Returning Rogers equipment is straightforward using their pack, print label, and drop-off method. First, securely pack your modem, router, or set-top box, along with all accessories like cables and remotes, in the original packaging or a sturdy box. Next, log into your My Rogers account on the app or website, navigate to Equipment Returns, and select the items you wish to return. Finally, drop off the package at an authorized location like a UPS store, Canada Post outlet, or Rogers retail store within 14 days of printing the label to avoid expiration. This streamlined process ensures a hassle-free return experience. Before starting, ensure your equipment is Rogers branded, in resellable condition, and linked to a valid account. Rogers has recently enhanced the digital return process with online tools in the My Rogers app and website, enabling paperless returns. They've also introduced a zero-touch return option for select equipment, emailing prepaid labels directly. Returns are typically processed within 7 to 10 business days, with no restocking fees for standard cancellations. While the process is free for most equipment, damaged or customized hardware may incur fees up to CAD $50. Be aware that some users have reported occasional delays and inconsistent label printing in rural areas, so using UPS or Canada Post drop-off points is recommended for wider access. Always keep your tracking number to monitor the return progress. By 2026, Rogers is committed to 100% recyclable returns, aligning with sustainability goals.